Now the orange button is what does it for.
What's this? Oh, is this your little... Oh, cool. Done! Cool. We gotta go outside with this. This is great. It's got a little TV lens in it. On the park there. Oh, this is all right, man.
Live.
Oh yeah. Now we're kind of like swinging around, getting like the full picture of everything. Ah, this is super. This is where the party will begin. Of course, it's long before the party, and Kirk and Dave are now warming up. Notice Kirk is in one of his. Oh yeah, it's in the living room, or the hallway rather. This is cool, gentlemen. Now doing the ceremonial hanging of the little chainsaw. Yes, sir. This isn't a momentous occasion. This is equivalent to lighting the Olympic torch. Or thereabouts. Yes, sir. Let's zip right in there. Yes, sir. Way to go, Dave.
I wonder how much one of these suckers cost.
You're live and on camera, Charles. Here it is, the object of our lust and admiration, the chainsaw. Yes, sir, folks, and this will be here.
I thought you were leaving. I am. Tomorrow morning. Oh.
The kegs over there.
Did you ever get any money from Fred?
Yes, finally. I didn't think I was going to get any there for a while.
Infamous chainsaw.
Hey, you gotta realize, I finished.
Yeah, it does make you blade of death. Collection call on Joe Ross today. Huh? I had a collection call on Joe Ross today. Oh, really? How'd it go? He got picked up. Oh my God. We gave him help for about 15 minutes on a $14 bill. Yeah, what time is it? Sacrifice awaits the warriors. And now, a word from our sponsor.
Knoxville, home of the Psychotic and Neurotic Chick Festival of 1985. Yes, once again, it's that time for another exciting recording. We hope you're ready. Headlines. The attorney for the creature has announced that the furniture is officially being abandoned. Yes, folks, that means the furniture is ours. Yes, that antique dresser and that beautiful mahogany inlaid set of shelves are ours. And you know what that means, folks? You got it! Yes, Hacksaw Charlie Productions, in conjunction with Kago Beer, present the first and the only annual Chainsaw Massacre Party. Yes, sir, folks. July 25th, 1986. Mark it on your calendar. Sorry, today's the 17th. That's July 24th, Thursday. Thank you, Kirk. Yes. Yes, that means July 24th, promptly at 5 o'clock, a pony cake will be provided free of charge by Kago Beer. And promptly at 6:30, Hacksaw Productions presents the madman himself, yes, Hacker Steve, with the, what kind of chainsaw? A steel chainsaw. Yes, sir, it is going to be unbelievable, folks. We've got plenty of gasoline and, of course, plenty of furniture. Hey, come one and all are welcome, except for you, creature. Don't leave a message. We don't want to talk to you. But that's a lie, Mom. I want to talk to you still, but everybody else, well, that's wrong too. Sorry, Kim. Everybody else. Sorry, Scott. All right. Everybody else, goodbye. You can still talk now, Kirk. It's recording.
Steve's gone now. We can tell you the truth. He and Debbie are married. The reunion was touching. There they were, both in a drunken stupor.
He still got time.
In Ivy's, the smoke was thick, the air was heavy. The hormones were in control. Steve looked at Joe with love in his eye, but
has a mustache, so I'll go. He leapt across. He leapt across the bar. Nothing could stand in his way. Nothing, not even Warren, with a jealous rage across his face. He got rid of Warren. All was his. Nevada, Mulholland. Yes, our boy has gone down the tubes. This has been copyrighted for you.
People from all walks of life came to witness the awesome chainsaw furniture massacre.
Oh well. I guess she decided not to come after all.
On that.
Yeah, she works there. Hey, Trina, it's all at Doodles.
Move that purse. Move that purse.
Put that damn thing down.
Nice purse. Nice shirt.
Zooming in on.
Hey, you can't pay.
Here's our volunteer for the Chainsaw Massacre. Yes. He's a real sport, isn't he, folks?
That's cute, Bert. That'll be all right, man. I guess that'll be making my appearance.
And inside the
Focus
drawers,
in how these drawers are laced.
we have the original stationery. There's the name of the creature, yes.
The drunken, irrational behavior.
Fuck you, that's another good statement. Oh no, folks. Yes, it's the boys in blue. The party's over.
I'm surprised I haven't had a call on this.
Well, it's about 6 o'clock.
Don't get any bottles near me, right, Mike?
Right.
You don't know what happened the last time I had a
Man,
And it's on its way to Doodles.
look at those thighs leave.
God, zoom in.
It's not that bad. If we painted it, we might have to watch it.
Boom, ba, ba, boom, ba, ba, boom, ba, ba. Thunder thighs. And yes, the crowds are massing, waiting for the moment when this man, there in the background, will fire up his chainsaw and destroy the creature's furniture. It's a tense moment, not to be repeated ever again. Standing in the by-side there was the furniture right-to-lifers, people that believe that dressers have a right to live. The anti-abortion for dressers league was in a small contingent, but there nevertheless.
This is the ultimate embrace. Come on, Thurman.
They've been rolling.
Alright, here we go. Because we want to let her know that we really still care.
We really
Alright,
care.
ready? On.
I'm in a draw bit. Legal.
This is crazy.
I hope you have a lawyer.
We have a tape.
Mr. Bob Woodridge studying the evidence with the throng behind him. Yes, he's declared this a truly sick sight. Here, Kim studies what will likely happen to her furniture should she ever leave Steve. T-minus 10 minutes, folks, and the furniture here will soon be sawdust. That's right. The Chainsaw Massacre. Counting down T-minus 10 minutes. As you can see, the crowd is frantically awaiting the startup.
I've got 6:59 and 30 seconds. Okay.
Here you can see Hacksaw Steve taking his last swig there, preparing. He has his helmet in his hand. Yes.
You got jumpsuit? Yeah, I'll get the jumpsuit. I can like film me putting it on.
Here he is, bottle of Stoli and chainsaw in his hand. Yes, folks, it's Super Steve.
What? Oh, sorry. Should I like go slower or what? I've got set. Where's the pack?
That's not the camera,
yes.
folks.
Every good magician puts his props down. Of course, you're going to get this at the front, I suppose. Dave does want me to wear some. There's another cat. Very
Wow.
Run!
You're a nice kitty.
Have you ever seen Green Acres when she yells at the deer? Run for your
Here we have
life!
first assistant, Mike Cloud Farrell. Yes!
Here's Johnny! And welcome to the Furniture Chainsaw Massacre. Yes, sir, folks. Are we going to have a good time tonight? Yes, sir. Hold it first. I must put on this certified jumpsuit.
Well, that's easier than said than done.
Easier done than
Better
said.
shut off the camera. We're going to
Turn it around.
Oh,
Take a while to put
hey,
on.
man, I'm not like a virgin.
I think you ought to ride the motorcycle for it.
I said I'm not like an ant at this sort of thing.
That's right, folks. We'll have non-stop coverage from now till it's all
Well, I
solved.
guess all I can do is like come up to this level now. Thank you, Dave. This is the name for the guys with the Wizard of Oz. Very, very important that we practice proper safety techniques. So I will be wearing the motorcycle helmet. Hey, and I will be putting on my safety shoes I bought from Walgreens.
Kids, do not attempt this in your own home,
This stunt is being done by not a butter knife. So like Paul said, Paul,
do not attempt this feat in your own home without parental supervision. We have chainsaw in hand.
Got it on?
I'm flooded!
You got it turned on?
what?
Got it turned on.
Yeah, turn that to
Got it choked.
put the choke on.
We're in pre-ignition stage
It's
here.
not working.
Do a plug for the chainsaw while you're at it.
Mike, why don't you take the camera? and
Countdown
let Scott
6 and
start.
holding.
Here, let me hit pause.
Yeah.
No, just take it. Here you go.
Is the thing moving?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Oh, we got it.
1 3 minutes of smoke.
We have ignition! Yes, we have ignition. Yes. There it goes, folks. Yes. Passing through it like a butter knife.
We're through the first floor.
He's slapping on the first piece. Who gets the first piece of cake? I want the first piece, Steve. Can I have the first piece? Can I have the first piece?
There's a cornerstone. Here's the cornerstone I present to you, Mr. Cameraman and Scott Thurman.
Thank you, thank you.
And a beautiful ceremony it was.
Okay, now ornament shoes.
Want the wing.
Now we have
Look at the intense concentration on the face, folks. This is serious work. Do not attempt